CNN. 6 former Mississippi law enforcement officers have pleaded guilty to charges related to the torture of 2 black men. Some of this stuff has just gotten totally out of hand. 6 former Mississippi law enforcement officers have pleaded guilty to charges related to the torture of 2 black men. U.S. Attorney for the Southern District of Mississippi, Darren La McCartha, said in a Thursday news conference. The announcement comes after federal charges were filed against the former law enforcement officers who called themselves the Goon Squad because of their willingness to use excessive force and not to report it, according to a federal charging document, the Goon Squad. The people of Mississippi and those of Rankin County expect those who enforce the laws to follow the law clearly. These men did not. They held themselves above the law, La Macar said. The charges include conspiracy against rights, deprivation of rights under color of law, conspiracy to obstruct justice, and obstruction of justice, according to online federal court records. Former Rankin County Sheriff's Department Deputy Hunter Elwood faces the most serious of charges, discharge of a firearm during a crime of violence. Court documents name the other officers charged as Brett McAlpin, Jeffrey Middleton, Christian Debman, Daniel Okpiki, and Joshua Hartfield. The incident occurred on January 24 in Braxton, Mississippi. Just southeast of Jackson, it came to light after 2 men, Michael Jenkins and Eddie Parker, filed a federal lawsuit. Many of the claims in the lawsuit were reflected in the federal charging document. The 2 men, who are black, say 6 white law enforcement officers entered the home they were in and tortured them for nearly 2 hours, culminating with Jenkins being shot in the mouth. The defendants in this case tortured and inflicted unspeakable harm on their victims, egregiously violated the civil rights of citizens who they were supposed to protect, and shamefully betrayed the oath they swore as law enforcement officers. U.S. Attorney General Merrick B. Garland said in a statement. FBI Special Agent in Charge, Jeremiah Formby, described the alleged actions as horrific, he added. I did not expect this to be the actions that we would have subjected upon our citizens in the year 2023. There's always something going down in Mississippi. On behalf of our clients, Michael Jenkins and Eddie Parker, Black Lawyers for Justice, thanks to the United States Department of Justice for the historic legal results choices achieved today. Malik Shabazz, the lead attorney for the victim, said in a statement in an interview last month. Parker told CNN, "Justice is what it all boils down to. I'm just like them, whether they're in uniform or not." The 6 former officers are also facing state charges in the incident, to which they are expected to plead guilty to on August 14 as part of a plea deal, Mississippi Deputy Attorney General Mary Helen Walsh said Thursday. These individuals is a dark stain on law enforcement and erodes the public's trust in a profession that does so many great things each and every day. State Public Safety Commissioner Sean Tyndale said in a statement, each of the officers are charged with conspiracy to commit obstruction of justice, according to a release from the Mississippi Attorney General's office. Additionally, Dedmon is charged with home invasion and Elwood is charged with home invasion and aggravated assault, the release says. McAlpin, Middleton, Okpot, and Hartfield each face an additional charge of first-degree obstruction of justice. I'm Tyrone Bowman. Never surrender. Never quit.